What is up everyone, welcome to T channel, and in this video we are going to fix auto restart issue in Samsung Galaxy F62. Many of Samsung users are facing this issue after update. So before starting this video, if you are new to this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and let's start the video without wasting any time. So to fix auto restart issue in Samsung Galaxy F62, first of all you just need to open settings and then follow the step as I am showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.